Paul, I'm tired of this stupid YouTube. I'm the one who has to stop this shit.
Is absent. Absent.
I will burn you to the ground then. What's the mean at Compton? So small D. He has a girlfriend too? Well, play, but if he can get a girl, then anyone can get.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah, cool.
Time I must have a this time question T2.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Like and subscribe.
And I need making my way downtown, walking back.
Please.
I'm trying to get loads of copyright strikes. I need you.
Miss you, and I love you. What are we doing here? What's a lunatic guy? What's a mental guy?
Stop, bro. But no, let's do the formation what the Mercedes did.
Yeah.
It's like, come on, let's go. But I'm a Williams, so it doesn't matter.
Jesus Christ!
Oh, wait, Tom, formation. Do the formation what the Mercedes did. What the Williams.
What about me? Am I not allowed in? I am. I'm a Williams.
Oh,
what are you
Bonnet,
doing, Bonnet? Bonnet, what a mental guy. I think you turn simulation damage off. You turn simulation damage off.
Two? Wait, but if you can get a Hello there! Hey, damage is off! Damage is off!
Yeah! Like, why were
I just experienced that in the hard way.
hard way? I got whammed.
You just blew up! But damage stuff now. Come here.
I love you.
Oh yeah, I finished my career mode.
What contract office did you get?
Oh, because I'm not best driver.
If you're wondering why Tom, the owner and editor of these videos, cannot talk because he does not have a mic. What a shame, mate. Oh Jesus! I
can't drive. I'm like,
bum.
Hello there.
What are you doing, you mental guy? What the?
I can't
I was trying to take off one, you just ruined it, you mental.
I've got no front wing, I can't
Just
drive.
wait, just get the bonnet out.
Oh right, I didn't know you were going to try again.
Why is everyone pitching for?
got
Oh,
no
Jesus
front wing.
Christ!
There's a lot
I
of
got
damage to the front
no
wing.
wing.
We're seeing a significant...
Hey.
What's up?
Are you okay?
What are you doing,
That was
you
a big
mental
one.
guy?
Confirm you're
What a
okay,
mental
please.
guy. What a mental guy.
Please.
It's the second lap, you can't argue with him. No, I think it's 5. Hey, brake check him in the pit, okay. What's the thing? Well, Tom's waiting there then.
No, he's out as well.
Like and subscribe to my channel
it's
and
gonna be
unlock
Bonnet.
Game of 5.
Oh, Bonnet's gonna just take it. FIFA.
Oh, hello there.
See, Bonnet's good at this. He wastes stuff. See.
Yeah.
Aim for 5th. Right. 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 5th up.
Bonnet, just take him out. If you're good at this. Oh god, now we've got another race
Yeah,
prop
but you're
guy.
good at it.
He's racing. I'm gonna. Wow. Hello from Tom's channel. This will be the last video I'll be doing on his channel because people respond guy. So I'm going to thank you very much for watching me. And yes, I know you all miss me, but everyone loves me. Yeah. And goodbye.
Loads of damage on it.
It's not a waste.
I'm gonna catch road soon so I can take them out. Don't worry. Go in.
Turpentine.
Hello there! Don't worry, I've got him. It's gonna be something actually. Sooner than you know it. Hello there!
You get him?